You guys, welcome back to the vlog. Super stoked. Today's a very exciting day. I finally get to turn the Z on. The housing comes in today. I don't know what time UPS delivers, but it should be soon, I think maybe in an hour or so. But I'm gonna walk around and make sure that everything is tight and nothing that I'm missing, all the oil galleys, everything's plugged up. The last thing we want is to get this thing trashed. So we're gonna try our very best to make this thing go 100% smoothly. So also, if you can tell, I'm limping around. I had an accident with my dirt bike. I'll put the clip right here. And yeah, so I honestly don't even know what happened. We were riding out for 2-3 hours. I was super fatigued at the very end. I was super tired and I just whiskey throttled it, man. It just threw me on the wheelie, tossed my ass. I think my ass broke. My tailbone broke. No, I'm not gonna say it's broken, it's bruised. I bruised my tailbone and my knee took a big hit. So limping around on crutches. The bike got a little beat up. I gotta fix a couple things, but yeah, once I healed up, I'll be back out. But anyways, I double checked everything. I filled it up with oil already. All the oil galleys is plugged up. All the oil lines to the oil cooler is good. The fuel lines, everything's tied up on that end. I haven't done the turbo housing yet, obviously, or the lines behind it, just because it's easier for me to reach the bolts behind the housing without the feed and the drain connected. So once I get the housing on, I'll plug those up. The fuel pump relay's out already. I'm gonna crank it over for a good 10 seconds just to get the oil pressure build up, and we're gonna hear a rip. So there's a quick break-in process. I already talked to my buddy Justin from Just Racing, and so we're gonna fire it up, confirm that there is no leaks. Once we confirm that everything is good, keep it at 2,500 RPMs for about 20 to 30 minutes, and that's what we'll do. Once we keep it at 2,500 RPMs for 2 minutes, we're gonna let it cool down and start the remote tune. So I'm super stoked. It's freaking here. It's happening today. I'm stoked. Oh my God, it's been such a long time, man. I'm ready to go back on the road with this thing. I'm super, super excited. All right, let's get to it. Yep. Oski, we got the turbo housing. Woo! Son, you ready or what?
Yeah.
Oh man, all right, let's do it. Good thing you're helping me, dude, because I'm still crippling. I'm still over here hurt, man. All right, I already shown the video of me crashing. What do you think?
I don't like it.
You afraid? This is his bike right here. He rides a 70, and that's Dad's bike right there. Stupid thing. All right, bud, we gotta put this thing on. You ready? Ooh, just like that. Now we just gotta bolt it up, and we should be good. Yeah, bud, you're gonna bolt it on. We're all doing this. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's give it a go. Oh. Ignition on. Bore, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. That was 5 seconds. Let's wait. What'd you get scared for?
I didn't.
Boy, I saw you covering your face.
No,
Or your ears.
Huh?
Okay, ready? All right, that was a good 5-6 seconds. Let's go check. We're gonna check the oil. That looks like I moved much. All right, still one more time.
It's recording now.
What? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts. Sometimes it's a good hurt. I feel. Hey!
It's hearing you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, that was the last bolt. Let's go ahead and take it off.
Yeah, what if I could did it?
There we go. Those things are a pain. Okay.
Dun.
We're moving. Yes, it is weird.
Don, don, don.
How's it looking there?
Yeah. It's all greasy everywhere.
Yeah.
Don, don.
Let's show them.
I already did.
There we go. We took the valve covers off. Looks like we did get oil in there. So we're gonna try it one more time.
That one?
And yes, with this off. All right, we topped the oil off, double checked everything. As far as right now, we do have oil pressure, we're good. So we're gonna try and crank it over and see what happens here. Got my ECU all hooked up. Got my fuel pump relays connected. That's weird. I turned the ignition on and I don't have any, I don't have my fuel pumps priming or anything. That's weird. Usually on the on position, you'll hear the fuel pumps priming. That's weird. Huh. All right, gonna go check something out. Be right back. So, fuel pumps are not priming. I've been at this for 2 hours. I'm super exhausted. My ECU is not connecting to my computer. I don't think I'm getting any power to my ECU, as a matter of fact. So I have to double check some things and hope nothing else happened, because this would really freaking suck if my ECU took a That would, ugh. I hope not, man, but let me go check some stuff out, keep you guys updated. All right, so I did have a couple things crossed over. My dumbass forgot to label them and mix the power with ground power. So what sucks is those wires, one of the wires goes directly to the ECU. I fixed it now, but it might be too late, honestly. So I'm gonna get in there, take the ECU off, and check it out, I guess. I hope it's not blown. All right, you guys, I have some bad news. I took the ECU off and it smells burnt. Like it's something in there's freaking fried. Oh, yeah, that sucks. Gonna open it up and see what I can find. Oh, you guys, I'm so freaking screwed, man. That sucks, dude. Oh, damn it. That thing, I don't even know. I can't fix that. I don't even know what the hell that is, man. That sucks. Oh, that blows, man. What am I gonna do now? This thing's like 1,200 bucks, dude. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm gonna make some calls, see if I can hit up AEM, see if they can fix that. And that sucks though, because I would have to wait another, I don't know, a month or two to get it sent back. I don't know. I'm gonna call some friends, see what I can do here. Ugh, that sucks, dude. That sucks. That just bummed me out right there. That right there sucks. And you know what? That's 100% my fault. So I was like, I'm mad at myself, honestly. It sucks. Just got off the phone with Justin and Chris from Just Racing, and they're doing me a huge freaking solid, man. My buddy Chris has his S14, I think with the 2J in it, and his car is down. So he's sending me his ECU, which is exactly the same as mine, the AEM Infinity 6. He's gonna let me borrow it so I can send mine in, get it repaired, and as soon as I get it back, I'm gonna ship it back to him. And dude, that's a lifesaver. Chris, if you're watching this, bro, Chris and Justin, you guys are fucking awesome. I'm just gonna let you guys know you guys literally saved my ass on this one, dude, because I don't know what I would do, honestly. And you guys just came clutch. Not only did you guys build a super dope engine, super sick, hooked it up. You guys did everything for me. Like, you guys literally hooked it up and then went ahead and like helped me out with the ECU issue. That's freaking dope, man. You guys are sick. I'm not crying. I don't know. This is, man. No, there's literally a bug. I promise I'm not crying. But cut. No. But no, thank you guys. Appreciate it, man. They're gonna hopefully ship it out tomorrow, and I'm gonna get it the next day, and hopefully we can get it. I'm sure we're gonna get it fired up. This is 100% the issue. The issue's already been fixed, so we're gonna get this ECU hooked up, upload my map, fire it up, break it in, contact my remote tuner. He's gonna remote tune the engine for me, and then we should be good to go. So I wanted to fire up the car in this video, but unfortunately that's not possible. It sucks. I'm bummed out, but at the same time, like, I'm super blessed to have these people, man. They're just coming through and helping me out with literally everything, man. Those guys are fucking awesome. shout out to those guys. Make sure you guys give them a follow, support them. If you guys need anything built, engines, anything, they built crazy shit, man. They are the top of the line stuff. Their machinery's off the line. Like, those dudes are fucking dope. But anyways, catch you guys later. I'm gonna go get some sleep and chill out, man. Just kind of think things through, and you know, I'm sad, but I'm happy at the same time. So anyways, see you guys next time. Promise you next video we'll get this thing fired up and get it going. So appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And yeah, peace out. Oh man, what a day. All right, so next time, guys, peace out.